Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable OneDrive file recovery for deleted documents. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable OneDrive file recovery for deleted documents, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the OneDrive website. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the recycle bin on the left sidebar of the OneDrive interface. Click on the recycle bin to view your deleted files. If you want to recover specific documents, select the files you wish to restore. After selecting the files, click on the Restore button at the top of the page. Your chosen documents will be restored to their original location. To ensure future recoverability, open the OneDrive settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Options. Under the Options menu, look for the File Restorations section. Ensure that OneDrive's version history is enabled. This feature allows you to recover previous versions of your documents, in addition to deleted files. Now, whenever you delete a file, it will be moved to the recycle bin, allowing for easy recovery. Remember, files in the recycle bin are kept for a limited time, so be sure to restore them promptly. For added peace of mind, consider regularly backing up important documents to another location as well. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and utilize OneDrive's file recovery features for deleted documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.